Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the file type and making a duplicate right away. You should never work on the original. Once you have a copy, check timestamps and app versions so you know which tool will interpret the format correctly. Make sure disk space is available and that you have permission to read the file. If the file came from an archive, extract metadata first. These steps prevent further damage and tell you whether to try repair tools, hex editing, or format-specific recovery. Next, attempt the least invasive fixes. Open the duplicate with the original app using its repair/open and recover options, or use an alternate program that tolerates errors. If that fails, validate checksums and inspect the file header, sometimes replacing a bad header with one from a known good file fixes structure. Use a dedicated recovery utility for archives or documents. Once done, extract any readable content with a viewer or hex editor. Finally, assemble the recovered pieces into a coherent file and resave in a stable format. For example, export recovered text to a new document or repack a corrected archive. Verify integrity by opening the file, checking checksums, and running application-specific tests. If errors persist, review recovery logs and try alternate tools or versions. Sometimes older or newer software handles edge cases better. If nothing helps, revert to backups and document the steps you tried so you can escalate or avoid repeating errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.